In this PostgreSQL tutorial, you will learn how to format numbers in PostgreSQL. Formatting number is crucial when you want to display data in a more readable manner, especially in reports or analytics dashboard. The primary function used to format numbers in PostgreSQL is a toChar function. This function converts a number or date into a text string according to a specific format. The syntax of toChar function is as follows, which accepts two parameters, the value and the format. The value is the number or date that you want to format, and format is a string that specifies the format to be used. When using a toChar function for a number formatting, you can use a variety of patterns or format, such as a 9, which represent a number. If the number has a fewer digits than there are 9 in the format, the extra 9s are ignored. Then another format is 0, which forces a 0 to be displayed. Then you can use a dot, which represents the decimal point, a comma, which represents a thousand separator. Then there is a symbol called L that is used to format a value with the currency symbol. After this, there is a pattern PR, which puts the value in angle brackets if it is negative. To format a number with two decimal places, you can use this query, select toChar. Then provide a value as a 1234.5678, then specify format 9999.999 and execute this code. After executing, you can see that the number is formatted with two decimal places. Let's see how to format number with a thousand separator. Now in this example, within a format, we have specified a comma after a first number, which is a 9, and after the fourth number. Let's execute this query and see how number is going to be formatted. So as you can see that the number is formatted with a thousand separator. So at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.